Episode 1, Mountain Mama Originals, the beginning. As you can see here, Mountain Mama has a healthy addiction for fabric. Here's all of her fabric.
Don't forget the stock room.
There's Kelly. And this is the beautiful Mountain Mama. Mountain Mama, how did you get this business started?
Well, I've always had a love for fabric, as you can see. So for me at first I was like, woohoo, if I could have my own business, I could buy all the fabric I want. But honestly, my reason I got into sewing was I liked making my own pieces of clothing, because honestly, there's a lot of crap out there, and it's all about the next month or the next 6 months. But I wanted something that was going to last the next 5-10 years. I knew what my style was. I wanted something that had longevity. And so for me, I wanted something that spoke about my personality, but I'm an active mom. And I wanted stuff that worked for skiing, cross country, outdoors, just everyday clothing. But I wanted to not have to purchase it next year when the zipper went out. So for me, sewing came to be what made sense. And I would see women, you know, selling and peddling their goods at festivals and paying for the activities that they wanted to do. Either it been going to a concert or new skis, or for my own family, it paid for roofs, windows, gutters, and even just the basic things of your children being in extracurricular activities. But I didn't want to have to go get a real job and do something 9 to 5 that I wasn't going to be happy with. And I knew I had a gift and I had a major interest in something. So for me, it was a no-brainer to kind of test the waters and see if I could really make this into a business. Throughout the years when my children were younger, I was able to do a couple little festivals in the summertime, do winter Christmas things, kind of like more as a shot in the arm around the holidays. But in the last couple years with all my children in school, I was able to hit it hard. And in 2 years, I went from giving people 1099s and hiring them to actually have somebody on payroll. She's here 5 days a week. And my goal is the next year is to put another person on payroll. I would like to grow my business. There's a major interest. I'm 4 months behind in orders, and it just keeps growing and growing. I think partially maybe it's because I live in Alaska, and Alaskans love Alaska, and they know what durable is, and they know what they want, and they're like me. They just want to buy it once, or they want to express their personality, and each piece, as you can see, is unique, from their fabrics that they choose, how they want to put them in placement, baby wearing, to vests, to wear with your skiing coats, tunics. You can even get as intricate as an Aurora Borealis with a zip-in pocket, a Viking being pulled by polar bears, detachable fur that was caught here in Alaska, to leather applique work all the way around. And that's what people want to be able to do, is design their own piece that they want to wear. Not off the rack, not at Walmart, not in any of these chain stores, but their own piece. So that's why I'm here. And that's why I'm keeping it real.
And I have one last question for you. What is your favorite part about sewing?
Well, every time I do a piece, it's never identical, even if it's the same pattern. You can, with fiber, you can change things. Like this, you do the freestyle stitch on the collar. No one else is going to have a vest like this one. Even down to the applique of a birch tree with fiddleheads. What I like about sewing is that you can still be unique. And I guess for me it's walking art, each piece. So our plan is every week to put a new video up of what's behind the scenes at Mountain Mama. It could be kind of maybe a tutorial showing how I design my own appliques, to Kelly dancing, can. Just from festival time to people being fitted, just the whole aspect of how it comes about, even down to us going shopping for fabric, because this is what it is. It's 7 days a week, 10, 12-hour days. But honestly, if I didn't love it, I would have quit a long time ago.
All right, that concludes Mountain Mama episode 1. Thank you very much.